In this lecture, we will take one more example on linear combination. So the question is, express v is equal to 7, 4, minus 3 as a linear combination of the vectors v1, which is equal to 1, minus 2, minus 5, and v2, which is equal to 2, 5, 6. How to solve it? We have to express the vector v as a linear combination of the vectors v1 and v2. Let us consider u is equal to, or v is equal to, not u, it is v is equal to a v1 plus b v2. U is given 7, 4, minus 3, v is given, and a is a, and the value of v1 is 1, minus 2, minus 5, and value of v2 is 2, 5, 6. If we multiply, then a minus 2a minus 5a plus 2b, 5b, 6b. If we add them, then a plus 2b minus 2a plus 5b minus 5a plus 6b. Equating the corresponding elements, we have a plus 2b is equal to 7, minus 2a plus 5b equal to 4, minus 5b plus 6a is equal to minus 3. Let us take a plus 2b equal to 7 as a first equation, minus 2a plus 5b equal to 4 is second equation, and minus 5a plus 6b equal to minus 3 is the third equation. Let us try to solve the question number 1 and 2. From equation number 1, we have a plus 2b equal to 7, which gives us a equal to 7 minus 2b. Let us substitute the value of a in equation number 2. We have minus 2, minus 2a plus 5b equal to 4, but a equal to 7 minus 2b plus 5b equal to 4, which gives us minus 2 into 7 is minus 14, minus 2 plus minus 2b is 4b, plus 5b equal to 4. Now, if we simplify it, we are getting this 4 plus 5 is 9b. Minus 14 goes to this side, and it will become 4 plus 14 is 18, which gives b is equal to 18 by 9 equal to 2. So b is equal to 2. This is the value of b. Now we substitute the value of b in equation number 4. Then a is equal to 7 minus 2 into 2, which is equal to 7 minus 4, and which is equal to 3. So the value of a is equal to 3. Now we substitute both the values of a and b in equation number 3, which is minus 5a plus 6b equal to minus 3. Minus 5 into a is 3, plus 6, and b is 2, which is equal to minus 3. Minus 5 into 3 is minus 15, plus 12, which is equal to minus 3, which gives us minus 3 equal to minus 3. That is, the values of a and b are satisfying the third equation. Therefore, these values are correct, and left-hand side is equal to right-hand side. So 7, 4 minus 3 is equal to 3 times of 1, 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 5 plus 2 times of 2, 5, 6. Which means W is equal to 3u plus 2v. Hence the vector W, which is equal to 7, 4 minus 3, is a linear combination of the vectors u is equal to 1 minus 2 minus 5 and v is equal to 2, 5, 6 in R cube. Thank you.